Managing your finances on the go has never been easier than with the CIBC Mobile Banking App. To get started, simply open your CIBC Mobile Banking App and log in securely using your fingerprint, Face ID, or password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab here. You'll see a list of all your CIBC accounts. Select the credit card account for which you want to make a payment. On your credit card's details page, you'll find a Make a Payment button. Tap on this to proceed with your payment. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the payment amount. You can choose to pay the minimum due, your statement balance, or any other amount you prefer. Next, select the CIBC account you wish to pay from. This could be your checking account, savings account, or another eligible CIBC account. Review all the payment details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once you're certain, tap on Confirm Payment to complete the transaction. And just like that, your credit card payment is successfully scheduled. You'll receive a confirmation giving you peace of mind that your bill is managed on time.